Hey everyone, it's Midnight CC here. It's definitely been a while since I've last posted. Car's still been running this entire time. It's never been down or anything of that sort, as a lot of people have said it has been, or I've been gone. I just haven't been posting because there hasn't really been much going on to begin with. As you can see here, I have bought pretty much everything to build the bottom end of the motor. I went ahead and went with some IE 144 by 22 millimeter rods, and I went with the JE stock size 82.5 millimeter heads for the 22 millimeter wrist pins. This all just literally came in right now as well, so I'm just like getting Christmas right now. But I mean, a lot of this stuff is super nice. Like, never what I thought when I owned a built engine. I mean, just check that out. That's really nice. It came with the skirts coated. Great machine work. Went with the JE Pistons over the Molly, just because IE's recommendation and build, they recommended those. A lot of people recommended JE over Molly, but I don't know, they seem to be a little bit more accurate. I also have Calico Race bearings, doing a rear billet, main billet, rear main seal, if I can't even talk. But yeah, upgrading the rear main seal to a billet piece. Head gasket, have the lower timing cover in a different room, a bunch more parts in another room. Gonna do timing, have a water pump I'm gonna be installing as well, aftermarket, metal, well, steel housing, metal one, you could say, instead of the plastic one, as those tend to just break all the time. But yeah, gonna be doing a full build on it on my own, with a friend of mine. We're gonna put it together and see what we can do on the Mabo. Oh, not the Mabo, but I call it TPC 500, and see if we can turn it up. I have some more stuff to explain how I'll be doing that. But yeah, just want to give you guys an update.